So this is the final one. And after I apply this hair and scalp concealer, I just spray a hair spray para ma-hold yung powder on top there and the scalp. So yeah. And this is the final look of my hair. And thank you so much everyone. And if you want to know how I make my hair like this to be thicker and more what you call that, thicker and volume, just watch this video. And thank you so much. The product na ginagamit ko for my hair, you can see the product. It's a very, very, very good product for me because I'm using this for how many years already, this one. So you can see some of the product. And thank you so much and have a lovely Thursday to all of us. And kisses everyone. Let's continue how I make over my face. Okay? Bye-bye. Take me more. How I hear. How I hear. How I hear. My hair is so nice. So, so, how do you feel? Still like shower? Drop on my water. Take me this. How do you feel? It's only for the young people. Yeah. Yeah. So, what is it? Laundry. So, I don't know. These are share of my patients. Hair scissors.